Hey guys, and welcome to a video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make animal noises. So first off is I'm gonna go easiest to hardest. The first one is a bee. Yeah. Bees. Yeah, they're bees. So how you do that is you first put your lips tight together like this, but make sure your lip is actually showing, like, and then you want a little opening in your mouth. You see that? Then you hum, like, and if you put your tongue closer to your mouth, or make your voice a high pitch, that's how you make them move, like. Or to make a swarm of bees is you make your mouth really wide. I don't know how to do that, sadly. I used to. And then, now, you know how to do the bee. Now we're going to go to dog. So all you have, this one's really easy actually. All you're saying is r, 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 are you, except for you have to say it like inside, like r. You kind of breathe in as you're doing a r, or kind of like, you know how you make your stomach go in, you r. So the easiest one is the high pitch. Well, it's then you kind of make yeah, there's the dog. And now this one is the horse. The horse is like, oh, failed that time. Hold on, guys. I kind of lost it. Hold on. Okay, think I got it now. So how you do that is you go like, everyone, well, you should know how to go. But then, if you know how to roll your tongues, you mix that in with your I don't know what to call that. And while you're doing the high pitch, you want to stop doing the, so it's like, and all you do for this is you roll your tongue while you just go like that. So those are so there is bee, dog, and horse. Now there's So, I'll see you later. And please like and subscribe. So yeah, I'll see ya. Bye.